Does this look? So what's up, my 71 subscribers? I'm doing good. Sorry for missing for a month after uploading my last video. I was doing nothing. So the story begins in the year, I don't remember. So the story begins when I was in class 7. I got my first ever Android phone. There was Lava, I forgot the name, A59 or A57. Lava A57, if I'm not mistaken. There was my first ever phone, which I just used to play games and nothing else. I used to play Clash of Clans, Mini Militia, and maybe Subway Surfer, Temple Run. Nothing else. Maybe I opened my Facebook account and Instagram or something. So 3 months later, after I gave my board exams, class 10 board exams, I landed my first ever actual good phone. There was Redmi K20 Pro. So this was a flagship phone, not a flagship phone. So this was like the best one in its range at that time, which was 2019 or 2020. So this had a good processor, respectable processor at that time. It didn't have any like those high-end refresh rate on its screen. It was 60 Hz. Camera was good enough. It could record up to 4K 60, but the stabilization was not good. After 5 brutal years of heavy use, this is the condition of the phone. It's broken in many places. The display itself is not original. It had to be replaced because of the water damage. And yeah, that's it. So finally I've upgraded to new phone. This is iPhone 15. I couldn't get the color I wanted. There was black. Still, this looks pretty enough, I guess. I made some really great videos on Instagram. You can watch, and all the previous videos that I made are made with this phone only. I'm still gonna use it. I'm not throwing it right away. I have lots of things that I can't transfer right away. But yes, the last video that I made on YouTube, I think it was pretty good, which was made in this phone itself. So right now I'm recording myself in this new phone, which is iPhone 15. I took the 256GB because I know video takes a lot of space, and even though I have a laptop, its storage is not much. It's just 256GB, so I needed a storage. I still think I have to get an extra SSD drive or something. Is it called SSD drive? And I hope I don't just end up playing games on this new phone. I hope to create good videos this time, like better quality. You can see the audio is great, the camera is great. This is the front camera, by the way. Like, it's easier to talk in camera when you see yourself. My hair is a mess, but yeah, this is it. Thank you.
One, two, three.
I was in Manali on a trip, so stay tuned for the vlog.